Hi people, how are you? Welcome to this week of virtual classes. Today we are going to work with a revision. We are going to revise units 1 and 2. Yeah? So open your books on page 18. It says revise and check. So here you have different activities to revise what you saw in units 1 and 2. In the first activity you have grammar, okay? So you have to circle in each sentence the best option, okay? The option that is right, A, B or C. So for example, in the first activity, in the first sentence it says hello, your name. So you have to choose what are or what's. Which is the best option or the right option there? Option C, okay, what. So you have to do the same with the rest of the sentences, okay? There are 15 in total, yes? Then in the second activity you have revision of vocabulary, okay? So you have different activities there, A, B, C and D. In activity A you have to complete the sentences with one of the prepositions there, okay? At, from, in, of or to, okay? So I'm Japan, nice meet you, what's bonjour English, okay? And the same with the 5 sentences. Then in activity B you have to complete the phrases with the verbs in the box, okay? You have answer, stand, open, read and work. So complete the sentences with one of the verbs, yes? In activity C you have to circle the word that is different from the rest. So you have 4 words in each number and one of those words is different, okay? For example, 1, 3, book and 5. 1, 3 and 5 are numbers. Book is a different word, okay? Because it's not a number. Well, you have to do the same with the words in 1 to 10, okay? Then in the last activity you have to write the opposite adjective, okay? So the opposite of good is, okay, the opposite of expensive is, so write the opposite there, yes? Then you have the pronunciation part. In the pronunciation part you have to circle the word with a different sound, okay? For example, in number 1 you have the sound E, so you have to circle the one that is different. You have A, B, C and D there. So which is the sound that is different? In number 2 you have the sound I and you have hi, day, my and nice. Which is the different sound there? So do that. And then in activity B you have to underline the stressed syllable, okay? The syllable that is stressed. So you have address, Italy, expensive, newspaper, 13. So underline or color the stressed syllable, yes? Then in the following page, in page 19, you have some reading comprehension and listening comprehension, okay? So in the reading comprehension part you have to read the article and you have to pay attention to the highlighted words and guess their meaning, okay? And then you have to read it again and mark the sentences true or false, okay? Decide if the sentences 1 to 6 are true or false, yes? Here, okay? Then in the listening part you have to listen to these 5 people and answer the questions about them, okay? So number 1, for example, her name is, and you have 3 options: Cecilia, Cecile, and Cecile, okay? So choose the right option, okay? And then do this kind of self-test. You have to tick the things that you can do. For example, can you count from 0 to 20? So if that is right, tick here, okay? Tick, tick. Can you count from 20 to 100? For example, 20, 30, 32, etc. If it's right, tick. Can you say the days of the week? Tick or not, okay? Can you give 3 instructions? 2 affirmative and 1 negative, for example. Okay, so do the same with the rest, okay? And that is all for today. Today, just revision from units 1 and 2, and next class we are going to start unit 3, okay? So that is all for today. Bye bye.